Hi everyone, got a fantastic session today. My name is R U Srinivas and I'm a HR mentor for a bunch of organizations both at IIT Madras Incubation Center and outside. Today was great. We had about 20 odd companies who came and talked to us about all kinds of practical difficulties they have when it comes to their people related issues and people strategy. It was gratifying to see them open up and willing to share their challenges and take solutions and ideas about how to move forward. We specifically spent some time setting expectations on what the HR function should be doing and which parts of it can be potentially outsourced at this point in time in the early stage of the company's growth so that they get a good bang for the buck. We also spent a lot of time talking about how to demand performance from the organization, how to set goals, how to make it meaningful, how to reward and structure rewards and equity and short-term and long-term and a whole bunch of other stuff. Overall, it was great. A bunch of people have come back with a whole series of questions at the end of the session as well. And so if any of you are looking to kind of understand a little bit more or want to bounce some thoughts on people strategies or looking for some advice, feel free to get in touch with me.